In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a bone layer. If you're building a character rig for animation, bones are the structure that lets artwork bend and move in a controlled way. Think of them as an invisible armature inside your character. We'll start by setting up the right layer, add bones, build a simple skeleton, and then connect your artwork so it follows those bones naturally. First, open your layers panel and create a new layer using the bone option. This is a special container designed to hold bones and manage how they influence the artwork inside. Keeping your bones in their own layer keeps the project organized and makes it easier to adjust the rig later. If your file already has artwork, don't worry, you'll bind it in a moment. Next, look to the left toolbar and choose the Add Bone tool. It looks like a small bone icon. With this tool active, you can draw bones directly onto your canvas. Zoom in a bit so you can place joints accurately. Clean placement saves time when you start posing and animating. Now add your first bone by clicking where the bone should start, typically right at a joint, and drag to where it should end. Release the mouse and you've created a bone. Keep the direction in mind. Bones usually run from a parent joint to a child joint, like shoulder to elbow or hip to knee. If you drop a bone in the wrong spot, undo and try again. You can rename bones as you go for clarity, especially on characters with lots of parts. Continue building your skeleton by adding more bones for arms, legs, the spine, or any other segments you need. As you add them in sequence, they connect into a chain automatically, establishing parent-child relationships. This chain behavior is what allows rotations at one joint to ripple naturally down the limb. For branching areas like shoulders or hips, add bones off the main chain to create separate arms or legs. With your skeleton in place, it's time to bind. Place your character artwork inside the bone layer so the bones can influence it. Then choose your binding method. Bind points lets you assign specific points of a vector shape to specific bones, giving you precise control over how each part moves. Flexi-binding distributes influence automatically, which is great for quick setup and smooth organic bending. Choose the method that matches your artwork and